In the rolling hills of southern Sicily, there is a city that seems to emerge from the landscape itself. Its name is Modica, a place where every stone, every staircase, every sunlit balcony tells a story of centuries past. Modica is a city built in layers. The streets climb and twist, staircases connect terraces, and buildings rise one above the other, as if the town itself is reaching toward the sky. The old town, known as Modica Ibla, is a labyrinth of narrow alleys, hidden courtyards, and piazzas that appear suddenly, like small surprises tucked into the folds of history. Walking here is like stepping into a painting. The colors are warm: golden stone, red tiled roofs, bougainvillea spilling over wrought iron balconies, the soft green of ancient olive trees. The sunlight seems to linger in the streets, touching the walls just long enough to reveal their age, their texture, their story. The city's history is carved into its very bones. In 1693, a devastating earthquake destroyed much of southeastern Sicily. Yet from that destruction, Modica rose again, rebuilt with grace, care, and an elegance that still draws visitors today. Every church, every palace, every Baroque facade speaks of resilience, faith, and the enduring desire to create beauty even when the world has been shaken. One cannot speak of Modica without mentioning its famous chocolate. Unlike anywhere else in the world, Modican chocolate is made using an ancient Aztec method. It is grainy, rich, and deeply satisfying, a taste of history that carries the memory of generations. Walking through the streets, the scent of cocoa sometimes drifts from small shops, inviting you to pause, to savor, to connect with the traditions of this place. From above, Modica Ibla is a vision to behold. Terracotta rooftops cascade down the hillside, stone stairways wind gracefully between them, and sunlight paints the city in warm, golden hues. Beyond, the hills stretch endlessly, dotted with vineyards, olive groves, and quiet fields. It is a view that demands a pause, a moment to breathe, to take it all in, to feel the pulse of Sicily beneath your feet. As the day slowly fades, the city transforms. The bells of churches ring softly across the valleys, while the glow of street lamps illuminates the cobblestones. Locals gather in piazzas, savoring conversation, laughing quietly over a shared meal. And all the while, the streets of Modica hold their history close, whispering stories of artisans, merchants, monks, and families who walked these paths long before us. There is a rhythm here, gentle and unhurried, a rhythm measured in footsteps rather than minutes, in sunlight rather than clocks. A simple meal, fresh pasta, sun-ripened tomatoes, local cheese, and a square of Modican chocolate becomes a celebration of place, of life, of Sicily itself. Evenings are particularly magical. The golden light fades and shadows stretch across the winding streets. The air is warm and fragrant, carrying the scent of citrus blossoms and baked bread. The city exhales slowly, gracefully, reminding anyone who walks its streets that there is a different pace here, a pace that allows history and life to coexist beautifully. Modica is not only a must-see city, a city that must be experienced. Walking here, breathing its scent, listening to the murmur of history in every stone and arch. Let the warmth of the Sicilian sun penetrate your skin, and feeling the quiet joy of a place slowly moving through time. When you finally leave, Modica won't leave you. It remains silently in memories. The taste of chocolate on your tongue, view of golden roofs at sunset, the sound of church bells echoing in the hills. a city that teaches you to slow down, enjoy life, and remembering that beauty, once created, can last forever.